Okay, let's jump right into this explainer. We designed this specifically for healthcare buyers, hospital administrators, and procurement officers working on the ground in Papua New Guinea. Today, we're taking a really close look at the vast, high-quality medical device range from TradeLink International Limited. Because look, if you're managing hospital inventory in PNG, you already know that finding reliable, top-tier disposables isn't just a nice-to-have. It is absolutely critical to the daily success of your patient care.
And it really all starts with this core guarantee: medical grade, non-toxic, and ISO compliant. For decision makers in PNG, this definitely isn't just marketing fluff. It's the foundational guarantee of patient safety that backs up literally every single product we're about to cover. It's all about locking in a consistent, international standard of care for your entire facility. To make this massive catalog a bit easier to digest, we've organized this explainer into a quick departmental tour. We're going to walk through infusion and vascular access, then Cathlab and nephrology solutions, blood management and surgery, essential patient care, and wrap up by looking at why you'd want to partner with TradeLink. Right, let's kick things off in Wing 1, Infusion and Vascular Access. This is the absolute backbone of daily hospital operations. You know, when you're dealing with high-volume daily operations, the sheer breadth of options TLI offers here is honestly a game-changer. We're talking everything from precise drum IV flow regulators to measured volume sets that have these incredibly smart automatic floating shutoff valves. And why does that matter to you? Because those valves actively prevent dangerous air trapping in the line. Pair that with three-way stopcocks that are tested at a robust 3-bar pressure, and you're guaranteeing a continuous, bubble-free flow for every single patient. Plus, TLI offers highly specialized vascular access tools for pretty much every clinical scenario. You've got options in premium P.T.F.E and polyurethane materials. And you really have to appreciate the ProExt and ProWay extension lines. They are completely kink-resistant and specifically engineered to handle the intense physical demands of administering contrast medium when a patient is going into CT and MRI gantries. Now let's shift gears for a second and talk about occupational health. For healthcare workers' safety in PNG, compare your standard cannulas to TLI's safety lines, stuff like the Provane Safe, Safe Inject, and SafeCath Pro. These advanced lines feature translucent hubs, which gives you instant flashback visualization. But more importantly, they have built-in safety mechanisms engineered to dramatically reduce needle stick injuries. Because let's face it, protecting your staff is literally just as critical as protecting your patients. Moving deeper into specialized care, our second wing is all about high-precision Cathlab and nephrology solutions. For your interventional cardiology needs, the engineering specs here are just outstanding. Take the Starfold manifolds, for example. They are designed to withstand incredible pressures, from 500 all the way up to a massive 1200 psi. Meanwhile, the Starband device provides precise, transparent radial artery compression using dual balloons. What this means in practice is your clinicians get complete visual control to ensure blood return without ever compromising the local nerve structure. And for your complete nephrology suite, the Platinum Plus permanent catheters really steal the show. They're manufactured from premium silicone. That's a very deliberate material choice that drastically reduces the risk of catheter-related bloodstream infections, which we all know is a massive benefit for long-term dialysis patients. Pair those with the highly accurate Nitinol ShineWire guide wires, and your renal department is totally equipped for clinical excellence. Okay, let's head into Wing 3 and see how TLI built a robust foundation for blood management and surgical departments. Whether your lab is doing basic whole blood collection or incredibly complex 4-component separation, TLI's blood bags are perfectly equipped for the job. They range from single up to quadruple systems, and they're formulated with the exact CPD or CPDA anticoagulants you need. The quadruple bags even feature TOTM sheets. Those are absolutely essential for safe 5-day platelet storage, which is a critical advantage for managing inventory in PNG. Now, it's really worth noting that TLI doesn't just do disposables. Their precision ground surgical line actually includes heavy-duty reusable options too. Just look at the Jamshedi bone marrow needle or the Quinque Babcock spinal needles. These are manufactured from superior quality medical-grade steel alloy. They are built specifically to withstand repeated autoclaving without ever losing their structural integrity or that crucial sharp edge.
When it comes to the SKINTACT electrode suite, the name of the game is universal compatibility and absolute patient safety. TLI gives you pre-connected options for all the major monitors out there: Zoll, Philips, PhysioControl, you name it. But even more impressive is the overlapping gel technology they use on their defibrillation pads.
This is a brilliant design tweak that totally eliminates tin edge exposure. That means you are drastically minimizing the risk of patient burns during an intense emergency resuscitation.
Finally, let's walk into our fourth wing, covering the daily essentials required for general patient care and ward management.
You really have to notice how thoughtful the engineering is on the gastroenterology range here. Take the enteral feeding bag, for instance. It features an integrated ice pouch built right into the rear side. This preserves the food during those longer administration intervals, ensuring optimal nutrition without any spoilage. It's exactly those small, incredibly smart details that make a massive difference for the nurses on the ward.
Let's look at the backbone of urology and general care. We're talking Foley catheters bonded with a silicone elastomer to actively prevent incrustation. We're talking highly secure umbilical cord clamps equipped with a lock that literally prevents accidental opening. These are the dependable, high-volume, everyday products that keep hospitals and clinics across PNG running smoothly day in and day out.
A true standout in the critical care section, though, is the HME filter. Sure, it's a passive humidification system, but its value is doing double duty. It helps retain the patient's natural heat and moisture while simultaneously providing an incredible 99.9% bacterial and viral filtration efficiency. It brilliantly protects both your vulnerable patient and your very expensive ventilator equipment from cross-infections.
So now that we've toured the specific departments, let's zoom out and look at the overarching standards that make TLI the logical choice for your facility.
Across all of their vascular and surgical products, you consistently find innovations like the Trivel. This is a highly specialized, ultra-sharp 3-angled needle cut. Why should you care? Because it offers the absolute lowest possible resistance during insertion. It proves that TLI prioritizes patient comfort and clinical excellence all the way down to the microscopic level. We all know that procurement in PNG can be incredibly challenging when it comes to logistics and quality control. But TLI solves this by functioning as a single, highly reliable source. They guarantee 100% medical-grade non-toxic PVC, strict ISO-certified labeling, ethylene oxide sterilized packaging, and they even offer phthalate and DHP-free tubing options. You are getting absolute peace of mind across your entire supply chain.
So, I really want you to think about this for a second. Does your current medical supply chain guarantee this level of comprehensive safety, clinical precision, and departmental variety? Ask yourself if your current hospital inventory is truly providing this level of safety-engineered quality across every single department we just covered. If the answer is no, or if you simply know it's time to elevate your standard of care, you need to upgrade your procurement strategy. Equip your healthcare professionals with the very best tools so they can focus on what they do best, saving lives. To secure your facility's supply chain without compromise, you need to reach out and contact TradeLink International Limited today. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. I'll leave you with this one last thought. What is it going to cost your facility tomorrow if you don't upgrade your standards today?